Yes. Hello everyone. Welcome back again to Normac TV and welcome back again to this video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can be starting dropshipping business today. So I'm going to be showing you how you can be starting to learn your Shopify online store for only 1 USD per month and start also making money online. So now maybe you used to hear about a dropshipping business, which is working online and which is also the job that most people are doing nowadays. And you can be having the ideas of starting your dropshipping business today. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can be creating your Shopify online store and start also dropshipping products from other sources or other suppliers to Shopify. So if you did not subscribe to this channel, Normax TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. So now, don't also forget to hit notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at Max TV. Without wasting time, let's get started. So now, maybe it's not first time to hear about drop shipping. So if I say drop shipping, you can even type in Google what is drop shipping. So they can tell you what is drop shipping. They will give you the information that you may be wanting, which can help you to do more things. And you can see now, dropshipping is a form of retail business in which the sellers accept customer orders without keeping stock. So you don't have to keep a stock. Also, customer is going to be asking your product and you accept you accept the order of that customer. You don't have a stock, but also you are going to be working to find the product from other person or from other source. Then you ship them to the customer who asked you also that sources. You can also go here and see, as Amazon is saying, dropshipping is a fulfillment model that allows entrepreneurs to outsource handling and shipping product to third party. So now you can see various ways of now they define dropshipping. By dropshipping also, you go and find the product from another source and also you ship them to the customers. Means you don't have a stock, as you can see they are explaining here. You don't need to own a stock, but you accept the customer orders. If you accept the customer orders, but you don't have a stock. So you can see you don't have stock on hand. So what does this mean? For example, if you're working on eBay, you can go and find a product on eBay. For example, let me find a product on Walmart. So let me go to Walmart. If I go to Walmart, maybe I want to find an example, iPhone, iPhone Pro. So I can type maybe iPhone prepared, this one. If I type this one, then I want to be also dropshipping this one. I have to take this phone and take all the features of this phone, and I take it to my store, then I sell it. So this is how people dropship. What I need to do also, I need to make sure that I'm going to be making a profit on this phone that I'm going to be taking out there. So now let me show you how can be creating Shopify also store. Now create Shopify store. Shopify store, it's as simple as this. If you search create Shopify store now, you can also go here and you can see it's on the top now. It is now getting advertised. I click on create Shopify store. After clicking on it, you can see they are saying that bring your ideas to life for S1 per month. You can also be paying 1 USD per month, which means you are going to start paying 1 USD per month, and this one is going to be spending 3 months on Shopify. So now it's like try. You can even take it as trial and also accept to pay these 3 months. 3 months by paying 3 USD, then you learn your store. After learning your store, so you can start now drop shipping, and it will be at that time we will have got whether it will be successfully or not to be getting the information. Also, you will be even have got experience of what you can do. So these are good options that you can start today. So what you do, you sign up as well because you want to be starting as well. So now you click here, so free trial, you put your email you want to be putting. So after the email, you click proceed, click start your free trial, then you go next. So you see now also I'm going to be going to my store. Now I have to click also I'm just starting. I'm starting online or in person. Now we can say I'm selling online or in person, but we can say I'm just starting. If you are starting now, click next or skip this option. Now they are telling you where would you like to sell? Social media, in personal, existing website or blog. You can add everything you want here. So social media, if you want, you have this in person, list product on Google, Amazon, and more. Also, you can say whatever you want to be listing your product, maybe eBay or anywhere else. So now what I do, I click next. So after clicking next, I can now also go here. You can see uh, which online marketplace do you want to sell on. You can say whatever you want to sell on, maybe on Google, maybe on eBay. If it's on eBay, now you click next or you skip this option. So now, what do you plan to sell first? Product I buy or make myself. Also, dropshipping product, which is sourced and shipped by third party. Can see. Now, so I want to be selling dropshipping because it's the one I'm going to do. Or you can click I will decide later. Now here is store name. If you don't have it by now, you can say maybe uh, I will be choosing it later. But let me also choose it. Maybe I can say my store is market space. Then I see if it is available. Market space. So you see it is learning, but they say that is not available and they give me a suggestion of what I can call my store. If I choose 12, it is not working. If I choose 0, 1, it is not working. So but you can also choose anyone they are suggesting, this one. Then you click next. So as you can see, I have to put also my phone number. I choose my country where I'm located and I click next. So where will your business be located? Now I click next. This is where my business will be located. Now create Shopify ID. Now to create Shopify ID, I have to choose either to continue with Google or either to continue with my email. So let me continue with my Gmail account, for example. That is the email. Then I choose password that I will be using. Yes, password. So after this, you can see the password is accepted. So what I need to do here, the email is inserted, the password is there, and I create my Shopify ID. So after creating my Shopify ID, you can see now I am going to on the step where I have to build my store. So I want to the next step where I have to build my store. So now let me click there and start building my store. So you need to wait a bit and the store is coming. Then you can start designing it in your the ways that you want to be designing it. So now remember, this store is going to be having your theme and you can be designing like, for example, it's like your website that you can be using. And this is going to be helping you to display product in the way which is appealing. And so that also people may be able to see the product that you are selling in the same way. So now let me wait. You can see now I have reached on my store. So remember, you have 4 days of free trial. Then you start paying $1 per month until 3 months. Then you can also start now paying the chargeable amount that they will be charging you every month. As you can see, I have this one per month. You can see I have one per month. Now I have to extend, but let me start now using this one. Here is where you can add the products, as you can see. Now here is where you can be uh, now checking the orders that they have also sent to you. Here is where you can be putting choosing marketing and also every information is here. So now what to do in here is that we will be showing you every details in the next video. Now this today was about how you can create your Shopify store so that you can start drop shipping. In the next video, we'll start also how you can be adding a product to our Shopify store. So we will start also showing you even how you can even design your store to be appealing and to be looking well in the other stores that exist. You need to be making sure that your store is appealing and is looking very well so that you will be competitive when it comes to selling a product with your competitions or with your competitors. That is what you're going to be doing in the next video, and keep in touch with us on here at Nomax TV. So remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, Nomax TV. If you have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comment section. Remember, turn on notification bell button so as the next video will be there to show you everything and how you'll be doing everything, and even where you'll be getting the product to upload or to add on Shopify. Thank you for watching this video.